Welcome back to the Mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today time we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone guys model number how to check. Guys, you want to check your phone model number in your Tecno phone. So guys, how can you check your phone model number in your Tecno phone? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video fan, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like my video. So friends, now let's see how to check phone model number. Guys, open your phone setting to check your phone model number. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of setting. So then you will have to click on guys my phone setting means about phone setting guys. Tap here guys. So after on guys, my phone setting guys, scroll fans, you can see your phone model number setting guys. Tap here guys, you can check your phone model number from here, and guys you can check your serial number also. So like that guys, you can check your phone model number in your Tecno phone if you want to check. So you can check from your phone setting guys. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video guys. Thanks for watching guys.